Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to switch off the device without using the power button. So you already know how to switch off the device using the power button. Just tap and hold on the power button. You can see the window for power off. So let me show you without the power button. In case if your power button is not working properly, then you can use this step. So with the help of accessibility shortcut menu, we can switch off the device without using the power button. So in this device, I already enabled the accessibility shortcut menu. You can see here. So let me show you how to enable this menu. For this, go to settings, then scroll down, tap on additional settings, then here you can see the option accessibility. Tap on this one, then tap on the option accessibility menu, then we need to turn on this option. Okay, then tap on accessibility menu. Here you can see the option power. Tap on this one. You can see the same window. You can see here to switch off the device without power button. Just tap on the menu, then tap on power, then tap on the white circle and swipe to bottom. Yes, you can see the device is switched off. So simply in this way, without using the power button, you can easily switch off this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.